Beginning this video, we would start to solve problems on fluids which are in motion. So, before getting into the complicated problems, let's first warm up with some simple problems. Let's say you have a pipe which is having this sort of a cross section, okay? Now, this point, let's call this as point A, and this point, let's call this as point B, okay? The cross sections at A and B are known. Let's say the cross section at A is equal to 5 millimeters square and the cross section at B is equal to 12 millimeters square. Okay. So in the first warm up problem, what has been stated to you is that water is flowing in this direction within the pipe. This is water, mind it. So how do you define water? You define water by its density. The density of water is given as 1000 kg per meter cube. This is the density of water. And water is flowing within the pipe in this sort of a manner. Now, the rate of flow of water at this cross section A is given to you as 1 cubic centimeter per second. So, the rate of flow of water at this point A or through this point A is 1 cubic centimeter per second, and the water flows in this direction, okay? Now, what you need to find out using this information is what is the velocity of water at the cross section A, what is the velocity of water at the cross section B, and what is the difference in pressure between A and B. These are the three things that you need to find out using this information, okay? So this is problem number 1. Now this problem can be made a little bit more complicated by taking this pipe and keeping it in a vertical sort of a position. So let's say the pipe is in this form instead of in this horizontal form, okay? And water is flowing in this direction. All other information are same. That is, the cross-sectional area here is 2 millimeters square. This is point B. The cross-section over here is 5 millimeters square. That is point A. And you need to find out what is UA, UB, PA minus PB. Also, the rate of flow of the water at A is 1 cubic centimeter per second. And additional information is given in this part of the problem, that is the length between point B and point A is equal to 1 meter. Okay, if the length between point B and point A is equal to 1 meter, if the cross section at B is 2 millimeters square, cross section at A is 5 millimeters square, and the rate of flow of water over here is 1 cubic centimeter per second, you need to find out what is UA, UB and PA minus PB. Okay. This is the second part of the problem. There is also a third part to this problem, but that I am not going to provide the solution. You have to solve that problem by yourself. Instead of taking the pipe in this sort of a manner, the pipe is now like this. Okay. And the water is flowing in this manner, okay? So over here the cross section again is 5 millimeters square. Here the cross section is 2 millimeters square. The length between this and this point is again 1 meter, okay? And water is flowing through this point at a rate of 1 cubic centimeter per second. Using this information, you need to find out what is UA, UB and what is PA minus PB. Okay, so solve these three problems. If you are not able to find the solution by yourself, you would be solving the first part of the problem in the follow-up video, and in the next follow-up we will be solving the second part of the problem. The third part of the problem is left to you as a homework. So let's jump into the follow-up video for a solution to the first part. Thank you.